Hello guys, Game Changers here, excited to bring you this video on a brand new app that brings you all the best Siri shortcuts in one place, and these are all custom shortcuts, so enjoy. Hello guys, as I said, I'm excited to bring this video to you. This is a brand new app that me and Apple Tech Video have been working on, so you want to go to the site in the description below. It's a pretty simple site. Just press on the download. Just like app discovery, you are going to have to do a Royal Earls just so we make a bit of money to keep everything up and running, because we are using a pro subscription to make these websites and keep them up. So once it loads, go down, click here to continue. Sometimes it will have a captcha before that, so you might have to do a captcha and pick a certain amount of things and then click to continue. Then you wait 10 seconds. Sometimes the get link will be underneath an ad that's below the timer, and then get link. And as you can tell, when I press get link there, it took me to the Dropbox app. That's because I had the Dropbox app installed. If this happens, all you want to do is, when it loads up, either press share and then copy and paste it into your Safari link, or just simply do what I do. I don't need Dropbox at the moment, so I delete it and so I can install the app. Pretty easy, because I can always re-download Dropbox. It takes 5 seconds if that, and then to log in takes less than that because all my details are saved on my device. So as you can see now, when I press get link, it'll take me to the web version of Dropbox, where it'll allow me to download and install the web clip for this app slash website app. As you can see, press on the download and then direct download. You can save it to your Dropbox if you want, it makes the download easier, but I can't see why you need to do that. And then press allow when this pop-up comes. As you can see, it's called shortcuts. You put in your password after you press install, and then install again. Press done, and there it is on the home screen right there. So when you open the app up, it might take a while to load because the servers are a little bit slow at the moment, but it's definitely strong enough to hold a high amount of capacity of visitors, so you've got nothing to worry about there. You just swipe to the left if you want to go to the second page, where we hold the App Discovery link for you to get App Discovery, and also a Discord server where you can talk to a lot of iOS developers and so on. So yeah, as you're scrolling through this website, you'll see there's a lot of custom Siri shortcuts on here, so it's pretty good website. There'll always be custom ones. We're even going to start trying to make them ourselves to add to this website, so it's a better experience for all the guys and girls using our site. So as you can see, I'm slowly going through these just to show you what ones we got. And you want to press on it. It might open in a website. Just wait for it to load. Open in shortcuts. Pretty easy, and then you just press play. So come up, run shortcut. As you can see, it tell me the amount of the Bitcoin, because that was a Bitcoin price. And then when you press play on it after you've already run the shortcut, it'll just pop up on your home screen like that. It's a lot easier this way. And this is a joke from Chuck Norris. Enjoy this. So yeah, that's pretty much the video, guys. I'm going to end the year. Don't forget to comment, subscribe and like if you enjoyed the video today. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.